Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook isn't charging or isn't charging properly. So first of all, we're gonna have to get to the diagnostics menu. Open the control center by clicking the clock icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to settings by clicking the gear icon, scroll down to about Chrome OS section and open it. Here you're gonna have to go to diagnostics, open system menu, and here you'll be able to see the current charging rate if your device is connected to the charger. As you can see, it's only 74 milliamperes per hour, which is very slow, and we're looking for something. We're looking for some way to increase it, so we're gonna have to check our charger and charging cable. First of all, make sure that your charging cable supports power delivery, and also make sure that it doesn't have any visible damages on it. As you can see, this charging cable actually supports 100 watts delivery. Okay, we cannot see it because camera is not focused, but if you look hard enough, you'll actually be able to see that it supports 100 watts charging. But the charger that we're using is only supports 20 watts power delivery, which is much lower than this device requires. If you want to charge your device properly, you're gonna need a 45 watts charging brick. Most preferably the original one. Connect it to the USB-C port on the left side of your device. Okay, let's do it, and let's check the charging rate in the same menu. Okay, and right now, okay, it has changed to 0. Now it's being red once again. So what you saw here previously, once I disconnected the cable, was the discharge rate. So yeah, you could have seen that the discharge rate was around 300 milliamperes per hour, which is more than the previous charging rate was. So by that we can tell that the device was actually discharging faster than it was charging. And now if we reopen the diagnostics menu, okay, so yeah, it's 0. It's because the battery is fully charged. Yeah, so it stays at 0. So yeah, in order to see the proper charging rate, we would have to discharge our battery, but as you can see, the battery is full. Yeah, but if we would just discharge the battery a bit, then we would see a much higher number here. So I guess we're looking for anything around 300 milliamperes to 500 if your device is charged by 80%, and much higher values if your device is yet to reach 80%. And yeah, so basically just make sure that you are using the proper charging brick. Make sure that your cables are firmly sitting within both the computer and your charging brick. And yeah, and make sure that your cable is not damaged, and this will resolve your issue. Besides, here we can also check the battery health condition, and if you can see that your battery health is significantly lower than 100%, then the only solution to your issue would be replacing the battery in your computer. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.